ball, Rocket.
Ooh, the bouncy ball is leading us across a geyser field. Uh-oh, that sounds like the Mouse King!
The Mouse King and his soldiers have musical instruments. Those are piccolos. Oh, no! When they play their piccolos, it wakes up the geysers.
The Mouse King is trying to stop us from getting to the toy prince. Don't worry, team. I have a plan. We can dance to tell Rocket and the bouncy ball when it's safe to bounce. Like this. Pat, 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 pat. Do it with me. Pat, 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 pat. Just remember, when we hear the mice playing their piccolos, we need to stop patting and freeze. Stop patting. It worked. We told Rocket and the bouncy ball to stop just in time. The geysers didn't splash us. Let's keep going. Pat, 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 pat. Freeze!
Phew, that was close.
Keep patting. Pat, 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 pat. Freeze! We're almost there. Pat, 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 pat. We made it! We bounced past all the geysers. Yay!
Way to go, June. And look what happened to the Mouse King and his soldiers. They got splashed in the air.
Thanks for your help, Bouncy Ball. And thank you for padding the beat with me.
Look, we're getting closer to the castle. Do you see the toy prince? Where? Yes, there he is!
But he's still frozen. He can't dance until we wind him up with the winder-upper.
Let's go, Rocket!